Right, just change cameras. Heck of a lot of work happening. I'll just see what's what.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I am a Dutch-Kiwi. Today we are visiting a most impressive basilique, the Notre-Dame de Avioth. As you'll see, it is undergoing major and much needed repair and renovation. Initially a simple hamlet, the village of Avioth owes its development to the miraculous discovery of a wooden statue of the Virgin and Child in the 12th century. A pilgrimage quickly developed there, and the ecclesiastical and feudal authorities quickly supported the construction of a church worthy of this pilgrimage. The great church of Avioth was born. The church of the Notre-Dame Avioth enjoyed the privilege of being a very popular sanctuary of respite. The pilgrimage to the Notre-Dame has been taking place since the 12th century and still brings together many faithful on July the 16th. Pope John Paul II elevated the building to the rank of basilica in 1993. Our Lady of Avioth is one of the rare black virgins in the northeast of France. Carbon dating of the lime statue of Our Lady of Avioth shows that the wood was cut around the year 1095 and confirms the tradition that the statue was discovered in the 12th century. Thus, for 8 centuries, the Basilica of Avioth has been built and maintained thanks to donations and offerings. And this is still the case today. Thanks to the generosity of the members of the Association of the Friends of the Basilica of Avioth, the many pilgrims who come to pray to Our Lady of Avioth, the commune can regularly undertake work and obtain help from the General Council of the Meuse and the Regional Directorate of the Cultural Affairs of the Lorraine. And what a magnificent building this is.
Beautiful. The difference between a cathedral and a basilica is that a cathedral is the main church of a diocese. It is usually officiated by the bishop. A basilica is a church with a special dignity, such as that of the Sacré-Cœur in Paris, built in reparation for the spiritual collapse, considered to be responsible for the defeat of 1870 against the Prussians. Or in the case of Avioth, the basilica exists due to the miraculous discovery of a rare wooden statue, the Black Virgin and Child of the 12th century.
What an amazing place. I'm so glad there's work happening to restore it to its former glory. Oh my goodness. Just unbelievable. Now I've been to many, and I've even been to ruins and whatever, but some of them just have, I don't know, a feel about them that's just that little bit more special. Don't know why, but this one's got that. Amazing. Just amazing. And then just here, what are the pulpits? And there's steps. Just have a look at those steps. They are ancient. Absolutely ancient. And they've been here for years. And they've had so many footsteps put on them, and the door opened for the priest to take his position here and talk to the congregation. How special. An ode to the workers. Because it really isn't even upsetting to have all these scaffoldings and covers and things, because you know it's going to lead to good things.
Filming was a little bit of an issue with all the hard work going on, though I did take quite a number of photos, so I'll show you those now. And after the photo session, I went outside to have a look at how the area around the church looked. Thank you so much for watching, staying right to the end. It's lovely to see you. I'd like to invite you to come back, be a subscriber, hit that bell, and I'll see you again next time because I've got so much more to show you.